その相場は大きく崩れてきて、日経平均だけではなくて、実はニューヨークのダウの先物、これも700ドル安という水準まで落ちていますので、ショック安というような形になると思います。クリントンさん勝利というようなシナリオでおそらく動いていたということになります。ですので、今日の相場はブレグジットの時と全く同じような形の反応になってしまう。
Chaos to begin with. Certainly, we saw in the futures markets and the equity indices like the FTSE drop sharply overnight as the Trump campaign edged towards victory, and then on the market open we've actually seen a great pullback, and stocks have recovered pretty well since the market's open. Nervousness is going to pervade the markets generally. I think everyone's going to be sitting back waiting to see what more Trump has to say, what sort of presidency it will look like. And he's not going to become president for another couple of months yet, so we've got probably a couple of months of uncertainty.